Talk about the relevance of privacy impact assessment and data protection impact assessments. How do you do that? Until you know what data you have and how the risk flow. So in this video, we are going to talk about mapping the data flow in your organization. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you daily see new content on data privacy. And as I said, let's talk about mapping the data flow within our organization. So why is it important? Well, you should know sources of collection. You should know how is it moving around. You should be able to find the gaps, the risks, right? For example, you kept your data on a storage. Non-redundant storage is a risk, right? So it has to be redundant. And it also tells me that that storage was not encrypted. That means there's a scope of improvement. Now, if I do these two things at the time of mapping itself, my assessments become better. It helps me create data flow, understand the sources, the movement, the point of destruction also, right? And the method of destruction to ensure that if there are any blind spots, then they are taken care of. And all privacy by design principles are auto implemented. The key components of mapping data include source of the data. How is it collected? Did you buy a database? Is there a form? Is there a website? Is there a CRM ERP? What processing do you do? What happens to this data when it gets into your system? Where is it stored? How long is it retained? Very, very important fact. How long is it retained? Then how does it get destroyed when you are destroying it? How is it transferred? Internally, externally, cross-border data transfer. How are these things handled? Is it encrypted? Is it anonymized when moving out of the your own data center? And who are the stakeholders? Who are the owners, processors, third parties who take care of the data in the organization? As a startup friendly approach, you should start simple. Do manual mapping work initially. Use virtual tools to help you do that mapping. Automate using the privacy tools. If you really want to spend money initially, also you can use these virtual free tools available to help you do the mapping of your information. Collaborate with the engineers who create these processes and applications and map them and see how they get integrated with the privacy terms. Don't take chances. They have to work. And that's what privacy by design also says, and that's what privacy engineering also says. Right? That's why you are doing this. That you are sitting with your engineers who are developing the product and you are seeing whether privacy norms are being maintained or not. Keep the processes lightweight, but the processes should be scalable, right? It should not be that today you deploy a database and when you get a million customers, that database is not capable of handling the data. Because then the entire PIA, DPIA also restart and your entire re-engineering happens. So if you anticipate getting 1 million customers, prepare yourself for it today. So build your data map. List all personal and sensitive data assets that you have in your organization. Identify the owners of this data and the stakeholders of the data, which is very, very important. Visualize the flow of data across all the systems and applications that happen in the organization or that are being used or will be used in the organization. Map. Know from where all is the data coming up. How is it working? Where is it getting out of the system? Link each of them with the compliance counters, compliance concerns, see the flow to be proper, and automate. Automate the real-time data discovery. Sync up all the databases. Enable auto upgrade or updates of flow diagrams whenever there's a change. System should be updated immediately. Connect directly with the APIs and pipelines. Explore automation tools in your system. Build triggers for alerting risks. Right? If there's any issue, then the system should be able to send you notifications on SMS, on emails, several such triggers to ensure that you know that there's a change in the data flow. So you get them to explore automation tools. As a startup, you should start with critical data sets to begin with. Keep the map updated continuously. Very important. Link them with risk registers, PIAs. Train your teams on accountability and ownership. This is the most important thing. Each member of the team, each department, each individual should know what is his ownership and what is his accountability with respect to his data, and make data mapping a part of your regular reviews in the system. They should be rechecked. Maybe in a way, data mapping assessment as a part of your PIs or DPIs. So that's our data mapping flow for a startup and for any other organization. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share your feedback in the comments.